pulled into the campground here at Chiricahua National Monument, and they are full. So that's just a sign we have to stay somewhere else tonight. There is a drive that's a loop through here, so we're gonna take that. The rock formations here are unlike anything I've ever seen before.
Very unusual.
Yeah, check it out. It's raining today. Chiricahua was amazing. I think
it was so different than anything I've ever seen before. Just those rock pilings just standing up everywhere. Columns, yeah. It was very cool.
And since the campground was full, I actually next winter, I think we may spend like a month in Texas, a month in Arizona, make a plan, and
you're
actually
really making some plans now.
Get a reservation there.
Whoa!
To spend like a week, because there's so many hiking trails there, and we really missed out. I mean, that drive was beautiful, as you saw. We're changing plans today. We actually were gonna head in the direction of like the petrified forest, Tortilla Flats. We haven't seen that area of this world yet. However, checking the weather report, it is cold up there. So we are going to head directly west, northwest a bit. And we're headed to a campground, Petroglyph Campground. It's on BLM land. It's pretty remote. It's kind of southwest of Phoenix.
Yeah. And it's warm there.
It's warm there.
And not raining.
So that's the plan.
Like we've said before, if you don't like reality,
change it. Yep. We made it, and we're in the sunshine.
Difference an hour can make, right? Go in the right direction.
Time for chilling. This is Painted Rock Campground. It's a BLM campground. It's $8 normally, but we have that annual National Parks Pass, so it's $4 a night. So we just paid for one night. We'll figure out a plan in the morning, go from there.
There's a petroglyph site just next to the campground. We did a video on it way back when.
Oh yeah.
One of our earlier videos.
I want to check it out again though. We'll check that out later today or maybe tomorrow on our way out. So.
It's an interesting petroglyph site because it's a mound of rocks that are all covered in petroglyphs, but nothing else around it. A lot of the petroglyphs you go to is like just through the mountains. There's rocks here and rocks there, but it's like in the middle of the desert, there's a pile of rocks covered in petroglyphs. It's very unique. Yeah. Check it out.
Sorry, she came to get me to open the door. Are you warm? Are you hot, girl? Yeah? Okay. like a rock mound that you can walk around. You're not supposed to climb up in them, so I kind of had to stand back on the trail end. really, really makes you pause and think about how long ago that actually was that these people were here. I just can't even fathom it, you know?
Didn't it say like one style of petroglyphs on the area to like 7,000 BC or something?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's different eras represented throughout the petroglyphs, but
I wonder if thousands of years from now people will be staring at bridge underpasses and train boxcars going, I wonder what these symbols mean.
the graffiti, yeah, I mean, maybe so.
What were they thinking?
Yeah, so we're gonna head a little bit north of here to Saddle Mountain. Now, we've been here before, and it's one of our top BLM spots. We really enjoy it there.
It's probably one of the first free public lands we parked on when we got into Arizona.
Yeah.
And maybe it's not the best now that we've seen others, but
it might not be, but
it is beautiful, and in fact, it's free dispersed camping. You just drive out and find a spot to stay. And we went hiking, and we did a video when we were there last year because we were hiking along, and back in some mountains we found a rock covered in
petroglyphs. It was so cool. It was just like out in the middle of nowhere. We were just hiking. We're like, oh my gosh, here's petroglyphs. There's a tiny little marker, like a mile marker size almost, from BLM that said, you know, protected area or whatever. But there was no other notifying markers that there were petroglyphs there. It wasn't like it was on a map or anything.
So we can't find it again.
We'll see. It's kind of a big area, but
we're gonna get the drone up there.
I know, we do need to get the drone up there. That's you, babe. You need to get the drone up there.
We just had all across the south, we had so much wind every day. It was not super windy, but just enough that I don't want to fly the drone in it. So.
Of course, yeah. We'll see what it's like on the other side of this mountain here.
It's been really nice here, but this was a campground, and I don't like to fly it around with people.
Not with
Even if it's okay to, I don't like to.
No. Just be respectful. So the place we're headed is still southwest of Phoenix. Yeah, so let's check it out. We were not kidding, were we?
Nope.
Yeah. It's every bit as beautiful as I remember. Pistol's been hearing coyotes howling.
Yeah, she's woofing. She's like, I'm tough. I'm so tough.
She's on red alert.
She's like, woof.
Pistol! You hear them dogs? Yeah, this is great. We were thinking we'd spend one night. I think we're going to spend a few nights. This is incredible. We'll get back to you tomorrow. I'm going to make some dinner. Oh, I'm excited about staying here. Hey, maybe we should put the game camera out. I bet so. Let's do it. Okay, we came outside because we just had to show you what this looks like again. This is incredible.
Look at the colors.
I know. Look at that. The sun off the mountain. I really do love it here.
I like your macaroni salad that's in the van even better.
Okay, dinner time. Here we are again.
5 minutes later.
I mean, look at the clouds. This looks like a painting, or someone just took a paintbrush. It looks like cotton balls up there. Okay, last time we're bugging you for tonight. See you tomorrow. It's exciting. Good morning, everybody. Boy, we slept good. Did you sleep good, girl? Did you sleep good?
Risky this morning.
I think we're gonna wrap up this video right here. We're gonna go hiking, I think this morning. Check out some of these mountains over here and see what we find. We did put the game cameras out last night. That's kind of what I'm gonna leave you with at the end of this video, is the footage from the game camera. It's really exciting what we got. I don't even know what we caught. I thought it was a coyote.
I think it's a gray fox.
We now think it's a fox. So comment below Let me know what you think it is, because I can't quite tell. With the night vision camera,
All black and white, yeah.
doesn't show color, so it's a little trickier, but it's the first time we've seen something like that. I'm going to put it back out tonight and see what we get. It's kind of exciting.
Pistol didn't seem to notice the fox by the van house.
No, but she heard them howling last night, remember? Whatever it was howling. And
well, there was coyotes last night for sure.
Yeah, it sounded like them. I don't know.
Oh my God. If you haven't spent a winter in the desert Southwest and get up when it's warm and dry, you got to do it.
Seriously, you have to. Also, make a note, we are on Instagram, but also head over to Facebook, because like these little fun polls I'm doing with the peanuts and the pineapple on pizza, I'm posting all the results over there just for fun. So head over there.
She's easily entertained.
I am. This is hard-hitting news right here, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, we're changing the world.
Somewhere over there is some petroglyphs.
Yeah.
We're going to go try to hunt those down.
We're going to go scope it out. All right. Check out this animal footage. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think it is. Hop over to Facebook, Instagram. We'll catch you guys later. Thank you.
See ya.